Boeing reported an annual loss of $11.83 billion on Tuesday, its largest since 2020. The plane maker has grappled with problems at its commercial and defense units and the fallout from a crippling strike by US West Coast factory workers. The loss demonstrates the challenges facing CEO Kelly Ortberg in turning around the firm, particularly as it cedes ground to rival Airbus in the delivery race and comes under the crosshairs of regulators and customers following a series of missteps. The company reported a quarterly cash burn of $4.1 billion, a metric closely watched by investors. That was slightly lower than analysts' expectations. Ortberg, who took to the helm of the plane maker in August, said the company was making progress in restoring stability to its struggling production lines. That's after a mid-air accident a year ago raised concerns about the safety of its jets. The company reported a loss of $3.86 billion in the fourth quarter due to what Ortberg called disappointing charges in several fixed-price defense programs. After banking record-high profits in the 2010s, Boeing has bled more than $30 billion since 2019. Two fatal crashes of its best-selling 737 MAX jet triggered production quality and safety concerns, as well as worries that it misled regulators during the plane's certification process. While the mid-air panel blowout on a nearly new 737 MAX last January dragged Boeing into another crisis.